Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. आज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की एक सीरीज मैंने शुरू की है जिसमें कि जैसा कि अब तक जो कोर्स के हिसाब से पढ़ते रहे उसमें सारे जैसे एल्डिहाइड है, कीटोन है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, तो जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज इनकी पढ़ी, जनरल मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन पढ़ा। तो इस सीरीज में हम इंडिविजुअल अलग अलग एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स के नाम के साथ उनकी जो मेन मेंबर हैं उस सीरीज के, उनकी प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज, ये सारी चीजें हम बारी बारी से डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज के लिए जो हमने चूज किया है वो एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स में से लिया है, एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड एंड एरोमेटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। तो एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड में पहला मेंबर और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मेंबर है बेंजल्डिहाइड, और बेंजोइक एसिड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में उसका पहला मेंबर है। तो इन दोनों की प्रिपरेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज, ये सारी चीजें आज के क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। आज जो पहला कंपाउंड हमने लिया है, एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स हैं दोनों ही जो आज हमने सेलेक्ट किए हैं, उसमें पहला है बेंजल्डिहाइड जो कि एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड है। उसके बाद हम दूसरा लेंगे बेंजोइक एसिड जो कि एरोमेटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है। तो सो कम ऑन द टॉपिक। This is the aromatic aldehyde which is known as benzaldehyde or benzene carbonyl. बेंजीन रिंग के साथ CHO जुड़ा होगा तब ये कहलाएगा बेंजल्डिहाइड, या इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C6H5CHO। CHO जो एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है तो इसलिए ये क्या कहलाएगा, एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड। Now benzaldehyde is defined as aldehyde of benzoic acid. Naturally, it is found in glycoside. Amidelene found in bitter almonds along with HCN and glucose. Its properties were studied by Liebig and Wohler. This is the simplest aromatic aldehyde. This is also known as Isle of bitter almond. तो कहाँ मिलता है? ग्लूकोसाइड, amidelene found in bitter almonds along with HCN, हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड और ग्लूकोज के साथ ये बिटर एलिमेंट्स में मिलता है। दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज आइल ऑफ बिटर एलिमेंट्स। अब इसकी हम जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज से पहले मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, उसके बाद प्रॉपर्टीज जाएंगे। मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम बेंजीन by Gettermann's aldehyde synthesis. In this method, presence of zinc chloride or aluminum chloride when benzene is treated with hydrogen cyanide or HCl and product formed is hydrolyzed, benzaldehyde is obtained. This reaction can also be carried out with zinc cyanide and HCN in place of zinc chloride and HCN. इन दोनों के अलावा हम Zn साइनाइड यानी जिंक साइनाइड के प्रेजेंस में भी ये रिएक्शन करा सकते हैं। तो बेंजीन का रिएक्शन पहले HCN और HCl ACl3 की प्रेजेंस में कराते हैं, उसके बाद उसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस कराते हैं। हाइड्रोलिसिस मींस जल अपघटन। तो हाइड्रोलिसिस कराने पे हमको बेंजल्डिहाइड मिलता है। Now mechanism of the reaction. This is the hydrogen cyanide. Structure of hydrogen cyanide होता है ये, प्लस HCl3 की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्ट होके बनाते हैं Hc plus NH. This is the carbonium ion NaCl4. Now this carbonium ion reacts with benzene to form this unstable compound and finally hydrolyze with, and ये सारे जो NH3 AlCl3 ये सब अलग हो जाते हैं और क्या मिलता है बेंजल्डिहाइड. Now second method by Getterman-Koch synthesis. ये सारे important reactions हैं जो by में भी competition में और exam में पूछे जाते हैं. When mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl is passed through ethereal solution of benzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride, benzaldehyde is formed. Reaction is that benzene reacts with carbon monoxide HCl in presence of these catalysts at high pressure. It gives benzaldehyde and HCl. This reaction may also be carried out by using the mixture of chlorosulfuric acid and formaldehyde. And not formaldehyde, this is formic acid. In presence of इन दोनों के प्रेजेंस में भी ये रिएक्शन हम करा सकते हैं. नाउ सेकंड मेथड फ्रॉम टॉलुइन. टॉलुइन से भी डिफरेंट टाइप से बनते हैं. फर्स्ट है बाय वेपर फेज ऑक्सीडेशन. व्हेन मिक्सचर ऑफ टॉलुइन वेपर्स एंड एयर इन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:14, यानी इसमें टॉलुइन होगी 1 पार्ट तो एयर होगी 14 पार्ट. This mixture is passed to a vanadium pentoxide at high pressure and temperature at 350 degrees centigrade. Benzaldehyde is obtained. This is toluene C6H5Cl2 reacts with oxygen of air in presence of vanadium pentoxide. It forms benzaldehyde. In place of catalyst vanadium pentoxide, oxides of metals of 5th and 6th group can also be used. Now second method, benzaldehyde is formed when toluene is oxidized with MnO2 and dilute sulfuric acid in presence of copper sulfate. First MnO2 reacts with H2SO4 to give manganese sulfate, water and nascent hydrogen. This nascent oxygen देता है. This nascent oxygen oxidized to toluene. Toluene reacts with nascent oxygen in presence of copper sulfate at 350 degrees centigrade. It gives benzaldehyde and water. Third method, जो toluene से from toluene, benzaldehyde can also be prepared by hydrolysis of the product obtained from the oxidation of toluene with chromic oxide and acetic anhydride. These are the catalysts. Oxidize करती हैं ये toluene को, and after the reaction it gives benzaldehyde acetate, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Overall reaction is this. Now other method is Itard reaction. This is also important reaction. First, chromyl chloride is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide and the solution is added to toluene. When a brown colored complex is formed, which on hydrolysis converts into benzaldehyde, toluene reacts with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. This is chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. This acts as catalyst. It gives complex C6H5CH3, 2CrO2Cl2, which on hydrolysis this reacts with water, or which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde, chromic acid and HCl. Now by hydrolysis of benzyl chloride, when hydrolyzed, benzyl chloride, toluene benzyl chloride, by hydrolysis of benzyl chloride, this when hydrolyzed with lime water or aqueous KOH or acidic water, benzyl chloride gives unstable compound which finally gives benzaldehyde on losing water molecule. Now another method is from benzyl chloride. इसमें भी कई मेथड है. फ्रॉम बेंजाइल क्लोराइड से कैसे कैसे बनता है. फर्स्ट इज बाय ऑक्सीडेशन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ CO2. व्हेन बेंजाइल क्लोराइड इज हीटेड विद कॉपर nitrate or lead nitrate, it is oxidized to benzaldehyde. Now benzyl chloride reacts with lead nitrate in presence of carbon dioxide when heated. इन दोनों को साथ लेकर के हीट करते हैं प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, देन इट गिव्स बेंजल्डिहाइड, लेड क्लोराइड, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड एंड H2O. एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ CO2, यहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर में लेते हैं इसको. एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ CO2 helps in the removal of oxides of nitrogen and benzaldehyde is not oxidized into benzoic acid. This is laboratory method of preparation of benzaldehyde. Second method by Sommel-Tetz reaction. By Sommel-Tetz reaction, benzyl chloride is first boiled with aqueous solution of hexamethylene. This is hexamethylene tetraamine. Hexamethylene tetraamine के साथ इसको क्या करते हैं. बेंजिल क्लोराइड इज फर्स्ट बॉइल्ड विद एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हेक्सामेथिलीन टेट्रामाइन. द सॉल्यूशन thus obtained is made acidic and subjected to steam distillation when benzaldehyde is formed. और रिएक्शन को इस तरह से लिखा जाएगा. दिस इज बेंजाइल क्लोराइड reacts with hexamethylene tetraamine in presence of ethyl alcohol water के साथ हीट करते हैं तो बेंजल्डिहाइड बनता है. नाउ फ्रॉम बेंजाइल अल्कोहल, फर्स्ट इज बाय ऑक्सीडेशन. ऑन ऑक्सीडेशन बेंजाइल अल्कोहल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेंजल्डिहाइड. dilute nitric acid, potassium dichromate, sulfuric acid or chromic oxide, acetic anhydride may be used as oxidizing agent. This is benzyl alcohol. CH2OH बेंजीन रिंग के साथ लगा होगा, ऑक्सीडाइज होगा इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ any one of these radicals. तो ये बनेगा क्या. It gives benzaldehyde and water. Second method in this from benzyl alcohol by dehydrogenation. Benzaldehyde is prepared by passing vapors of benzyl alcohol over heated copper. तो जिस benzyl alcohol heated copper से पास करते हैं तो benzaldehyde में convert होता है. Benzyl alcohol passed over heated copper at 300 degrees centigrade. It gives benzaldehyde and water. By Rosenmund's reaction, सारे reaction, all reactions are important. When benzyl chloride is reduced with hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfate catalyst, इन दोनों के presence में these are catalyst, benzaldehyde is obtained. This is benzyl chloride reacts यहाँ पे reduction होता है lead और barium sulfate in presence of lead and barium sulfate. It gives benzaldehyde and HCl. In this reaction, barium sulfate acts as catalyst poison and benzaldehyde is not further reduced to benzyl alcohol. तो यहाँ ये कैटलिस्ट की तरह ये काम करता है. ये क्या करता है, कैटलिटिक पॉइजन है जो रिएक्शन रेट को सिर्फ इधर ही बढ़ने देता है, इसको एल्कोहल में बदलने से रोकता है. नाउ फ्रॉम ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट, reaction of phenyl magnesium bromide with HCN or ethyl formate and subsequent hydrolysis of product form yields benzaldehyde. This is phenyl magnesium bromide known as Grignard reagent reacts with hydrogen cyanide. This gives this complex compound and which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde, ammonia and this. एथिल ब्रोमाइड के साथ किस तरह से This is magnesium, phenyl magnesium bromide reacts with ethyl formate. This is the ester. This form for this type of intermediate, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Now by ozonolysis of styrene, important reaction, all reactions are important. By ozonolysis, of styrene, this is styrene C6H5 CH double bond CH2 reacts with ozone. It forms this type of ozonolite and reacts in presence of hydrogen and palladium. It loses water and forms benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. Overall reaction is this. इस तरह से by ozonolysis of styrene. Method, another method. Benzaldehyde is prepared by dry distillation of mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium formate. Here is the reaction. This is calcium benzoate and this is calcium formate. दोनों का ड्राई डिस्टिलेशन करते हैं तो बेंजल्डिहाइड बनता है और कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट अलग हो जाता है. Now other important reaction by Stefan's reaction. Reduction of cyanobenzene, phenyl cyanide C6H5CN with SnCl2 and concentrate HCl yield benzaldehyde. Now stannous chloride, जो ये दोनों यूज करते हैं, stannous chloride and HCl reacts to form SnCl4 and nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen reacts with phenyl cyanide to give this compound, and this reacts with hydrogen and HCl to give benzaldehyde. Overall reaction in 3 steps. Now physical properties of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is a colorless, steam volatile, oily liquid. It is toxic in nature and its boiling point is 179 degrees centigrade. It smells like bitter elements. It is partially soluble in water but completely soluble in organic solvent. These are some important physical properties. Now chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzaldehyde are studied under following 3 categories. First, reaction similar to aliphatic aldehydes, reaction different from aliphatic aldehydes, and reaction of benzene ring. So first, reactions similar to aliphatic aldehydes. पहला इसमें है. First is nucleophilic addition reaction. The carbonyl group of CHO group of benzaldehyde gives following nucleophilic addition reaction with HCN and hydrogen, sodium hydrogen sulfide. Reaction with HCN. Addition of HCN on benzaldehyde yields benzaldehyde mandalonitride. This is known as benzaldehyde cyanohydrin, which on hydrolysis gives mandelic acid. This is benzaldehyde reacts with hydrogen cyanide, forms benzaldehyde cyanohydrin, which on hydrolysis gives mandelic acid. Now addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Benzaldehyde reacts with sodium bisulfide to form a white solid adduct benzaldehyde sodium bisulfide, which on distillation with dilute sulfuric acid or sodium carbonate gives again benzaldehyde reaction. Benzaldehyde, sodium bisulfide, it gives these types of compound. This is the benzaldehyde sodium bisulfide, which on distillation with acid gives benzaldehyde again. Now addition of alcohol. First hemiacetal is formed. Alcohol से जब reaction होगा तो hemiacetal is formed. Benzaldehyde reacts with ethyl alcohol. It gives hemiacetal and finally it gives acetal. This hemiacetal reacts again with ethyl alcohol to give acetal. Now reaction with the Grignard reagent. Initially an addition product is formed which on hydrolysis gives a secondary alcohol. This is Grignard reagent. This is benzaldehyde gives adduct, and on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, it gives this type of compound which is known as phenyl alcohol. Now reaction involving replacement of oxygen atom of CHO group. These are condensation reactions. Reaction involving replacement of oxygen. यानी इसमें जो ये ऑक्सीजन है इसका सिर्फ रिप्लेसमेंट होता है इन रिएक्शंस में. These reactions are known as condensation reaction. Reaction with PCl5, benzyl chloride is formed. C6H5 benzaldehyde reacts with phosphorus pentachloride. It forms benzyl chloride and phosphorus oxychloride. Now reaction with hydrazine, NH2NH2. Benzaldehyde hydrazone is formed. Benzaldehyde reacts with hydrazine. It gives benzaldehyde hydrazone. When excess of benzaldehyde is used, benzalidene azine is formed. Excess of benzaldehyde यूज होगा यानी फर्दर ये रिएक्शन और आगे बढ़ेगा तब जो बनेगा कंपाउंड इस तरह का. यहाँ पे ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से रिमूव हो जा रहा है और C6H5CH डबल बॉन्ड N सिंगल बॉन्ड N फिर डबल बॉन्ड H C6H5. दिस इज बेंजिलिडीन एजाइन पूरा कंपाउंड है. Now reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Reaction with phenyl hydrazine. So phenyl hydrazine C6H5 NH2 reacts with benzaldehyde. It gives benzaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. This is the compound. ये पूरा है ये. इसके साथ डबल बॉन्ड फिर ये. Now reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Benzaldehyde reacts with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. This is benzaldehyde. Both reacts and gives 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. This type of compound. This is important reaction. Now reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with benzaldehyde. ये benzaldehyde है C6H5CH डबल बॉन्ड हो. यहाँ ऑक्सीजन का रिप्लेसमेंट हो रहा है और यहाँ पे NOH ग्रुप जुड़ जाएगा तो हाइड्रोक्सिल एमीन से इसका रिएक्शन होता है तो ये क्या बनाता है बेंजल्डोजाइम. Now reaction with semi-carbazide. Benzaldehyde semi-carbazone is formed. It reacts with semi-carbazole minus H2. It forms benzaldehyde semi-carbazole. Reaction with Schiff's reagent. A pink colored solution is obtained. Reduction. First, Clemenson reduction. Reduction with zinc Hg concentrate HCl yields toluene. Reaction is that C6H5CHO. Reduction होगा zinc, mercury और HCl की presence में zinc mercury amalgam. It gives toluene and H2O. Now reduction with red phosphorate and Hi hydrogen iodide also yield toluene. Reaction here. Benzaldehyde, red phosphorus, Hi or NH2, NH2 and NaOH. This gives toluene. Reduction of carbonyl group. Now reduction of carbonyl group C double bond O into CH2 group by hydrazine. This is hydrazine. Reduction of carbonyl group C double bond O group present होता है इसमें into CH2 group by hydrazine and alkali is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction. तो ये रिएक्शन क्या कहलाता है? Wolff-Kishner reaction. Now reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or ethyl alcohol and sodium or H2 and nickel benzyl alcohol is formed. Catalyst इनमें से कोई हो सकता है और benzyl alcohol बनता है. Now reduction with sodium mercury amalgam with H2O or zinc HCl hydrozobenzoin is formed. Reaction is this catalyst and this is the hydrobenzoin. Similar reaction occurs with magnesium and ether. तो magnesium and ether जब होगा तो भी similar reaction होगा, product same बनेगा. उसके बाद है oxidation. Benzaldehyde is a strong reducing and benzaldehyde is a strong reducing agent and oxidized readily. First oxidation by air. Benzaldehyde oxidized by air to gives benzoic acid. Oxidation by Tollens reagent. Oxidation by Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate, oxidized benzaldehyde to benzoic acid and a silver mirror is formed. Benzaldehyde अमोनिका सिल्वर नाइट्रेट में जो AgO प्रेजेंस होता है वो इसको benzoic acid, this converted benzaldehyde into benzoic acid and silver mirror is formed. Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. Pairing solution does not oxidize benzaldehyde. Now Tischenko's reaction. Benzaldehyde on reaction with aluminum oxide yields benzyl benzoate. Benzaldehyde in presence of aluminum ethoxide yields benzyl benzoate. This is benzyl benzoate. Now Wittig reactions. Styrene and triphenyl phosphorants are formed when benzaldehyde reacts with methylene triphenyl phosphorant. This is benzyl triphenyl phosphorant reacts with benzaldehyde. It forms styrene and triphenyl phosphorant. Now reaction different from aliphatic aldehydes. ये सारे वो reaction थे जो similar थे aliphatic aldehydes के. अब benzaldehyde के वो reaction जो different होते हैं aliphatic aldehydes से, इसे सिर्फ aromatic aldehydes शो करते हैं, aliphatic aldehydes नहीं शो करते. Now it does not reduce Fehling solution and does not form red precipitate of cuprous oxide. And the other reaction with ammonia, a complex compound hydrobenzamide is formed. Ammonia से reaction करता है benzaldehyde, जो कि aliphatic aldehyde नहीं देते. Reacts with ammonia, two molecules of benzaldehyde and 2 molecules of ammonia NH3. H2 ये दिखाया है, क्योंकि ये O रिमूव हो रहा है और यहाँ से H2 रिमूव हो रहा है, दोनों ही का, तो ये H2 रिमूव हो रहा है और इधर ये तीसरा मॉलिक्यूल है, इससे भी, और इधर से ये तीसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स का O अमोनिया का जो दोनों अमोनिया मॉलिक्यूल्स के एटम है उनको रिमूव कर रहा है. फिर से देखो, बेंजल्डिहाइड का एक मॉलिक्यूल, बेंजल्डिहाइड का दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल, अमोनिया से ये NH3 है तो 2 हाइड्रोजन लेकर के ये वो बना रहे हैं. इधर एक हाइड्रोजन इन दोनों मॉलिक्यूल्स में बच रहे हैं, जो कि बेंजल्डिहाइड के तीसरे ऑक्सीजन से H2O बना रहा है. तो 3H2O निकल रहा है हीट करने पे और माइड बनता है. दिस इज हाइड्रोबेंजामाइड. Now reaction with aniline. Aniline and benzaldehyde reacts to form anyl, that is benzalidine, aniline, a Schiff base. And this is the benzaldehyde, this is the aniline, NH2 जुड़ा होगा बेंजीन के साथ. रिएक्शन से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स यहाँ रिमूव हो रहा है और क्या बन रहा है? एनिल. दिस इज बेंजिलिडीन एनिलीन. नाउ रिएक्शन विद डाइमेथिल एनिलीन. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, zinc or zinc chloride, when benzaldehyde is heated with dimethylaniline, malachite green is formed. The reaction is that benzaldehyde reacts with this. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid और जिंक क्लोराइड हीट करते हैं तो H2O यहाँ से निकल जाता है. या तो बेंजीन रिंग इसके पास है, C6H5CH यहाँ ऐड हो गया इसके साथ, दो बेंजीन रिंग के साथ, और NCH3 whole twice. दिस इज दी malachite green. Now reaction with chlorine. At 170 degrees centigrade, benzaldehyde reacts with dichlorine to form benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl क्लोरीन से रिएक्ट करके ये बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बनाता है. Sorry for disruption. Yes, this reaction occurs in absence of halogen carrier. Now, other important reaction is polymerization. The reaction is polymerization. It does not polymerize like aliphatic aldehydes because it does not contain an alpha hydrogen. तो aldehydes में reaction जो polymerization की तरह होता है वो होता है condensation. Benzoin condensation. Benzoin is obtained when benzaldehyde is boiled with alcoholic solution of KCN for 2 hours. Benzaldehyde K in presence of potassium cyanide and alcohol, it forms benzoin. This is benzoin condensation reaction. Now Perkins reduction. On heating with sodium salt of carboxylic acid containing alpha hydrogen and its anhydride, benzaldehyde forms alpha beta unsaturated acids. For example, when benzaldehyde heated with sodium acetate and acetic anhydride, sodium acetate, acetic anhydride, this is benzaldehyde. When or heating with sodium salt of carboxylic acid containing alpha hydrogen and its anhydride, benzaldehyde forms alpha beta unsaturated acid. For example, when heated with sodium acetate and acetic anhydride, बेंजल्डिहाइड फॉर्म्स सिनेमिक एसिड। इस तरह से इसके रिएक्शन के बाद ये बनता है और फाइनली -CH3COH लूज करता है और बनता है सिनेमिक एसिड। उसके बाद है कैनिज़ारोस रिएक्शन। दिस रिएक्शन इज गिवन बाय those aldehydes only which do not contain alpha hydrogen. In this reaction, two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with concentrated solution of NaOH. On molecule is oxidized. This is not so. Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is given by those aldehyde only which do not contain alpha hydrogen. In this reaction, two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide. One molecule is oxidized to sodium benzoate while other molecule is reduced to benzyl alcohol. Reaction is that benzaldehyde reacts with NaOH. It gives benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. When this reaction is carried out with other aldehydes such as formaldehyde, this is named as cross-Cannizzaro reaction. Like this, reacts with formaldehyde and NaOH. This is cross-Cannizzaro reaction. It gives benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Aldehydes containing a alpha hydrogen undergoes aldol condensation in this reaction. Now, other is Claisen-Smith condensation. The aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen reacts with benzaldehyde in presence of dilute alkali to form condensation product and unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This is aldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde reacts in presence of dilute NaOH. This gives cinnamaldehyde. Now, acetone, another example, acetone reacts with benzaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH. It gives benzalidene acetone. Now, Novengel's reaction. In presence of an organic base, condensation of aldehydes with active methylene compounds to form alpha beta unsaturated compounds is known as Novengel reactions. Benzaldehyde reacts with malonic acid. In presence of piperidine, it forms this unstable compound which loses carbon dioxide on heating and forms cinnamic acid. This is the cinnamic acid. Now, Reformowski reaction. In the presence of zinc, benzaldehyde reacts with alpha bromo ester to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. Benzaldehyde forms cinnamic acid with alpha bromo ethyl acetate. And finally, it forms this, and after this forms cinnamic acid. So overall reaction like this. Now, reactions of benzene ring. Aldehyde group deactivate benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction, and incoming electrophile occupies meta position. तो आर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशन पे CHO ग्रुप रिएक्शन को रोकता है. ये कौन सा ग्रुप होगा? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रोकता है. CHO ग्रुप इज ए मेटा डायरेक्टिव ग्रुप. Now see this again. CHO group deactivate benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction, and incoming electrophile occupies meta position. CHO group decreases electron density on benzene ring, which appears on ortho and para position. Now, first reaction is nitration. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, benzaldehyde reacts with fuming nitric acid to form meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde reacts with nitric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid के presence में बनाता है meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. This is the nitration. Now, sulfonation on heating with fuming sulfuric acid, meta-formyl benzyl sulfonic acid is formed reaction है ये सामने. Now halogenation in presence of halogen carrier iron benzaldehyde reacts with halogens to form meta-benzaldehyde. Meta-chlorobenzaldehyde इस तरह से. Now uses of benzaldehyde in perfumery, in making of dyes, in preparation of various organic compounds, in preparation of shift reagents. Now test of benzaldehyde. It is liquid. Boiling points 179 degrees centigrade, having odor like bitter elements. In the presence of zinc, it forms a solid. It heated with if heated with aniline. यानी एलिलीन के साथ जिंक की प्रेजेंस में जब इसको हीट करते हैं तो ये सॉलिड बनाता है. It does not reduce failing solution. It renders pink color to Schiff reagent. Now come on, another compound, important aromatic compound is aromatic carboxylic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acid are the compound in which carboxylic group is directly linked with two benzene ring. The structure of benzoic acid. The acid having COOH group in the side chain are called aryl substituted aliphatic acid. However, they are studied along with aromatic acid as they behave as aromatic. इसमें एलिफैटिक एसिड की तरह इसको लिया जाता है, लेकिन चूंकि इसमें फेनिल ग्रुप है तो बिहेव भी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड की तरह ही करता है, इसलिए इसको एरोमेटिक के यौगिकों के अंदर ही इनका जो अध्ययन होता है वो किया जाता है. तो एरोमेटिक रिंग यानी फेनिल ग्रुप यहाँ लगा हुआ है एलिफैटिक पेरेंट चेन के साथ. दिस इज दी aryl substituted aliphatic acid, यानी aliphatic acid में phenyl group presence है. This is the 2-phenyl acetic acid. Now benzoic acid, important compounds of aromatic carboxylic acid में है benzoic acid. इसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह से है. COH ग्रुप यहाँ लगा है C6H5COH. This is the molecular formula. In the nature, benzoic acid is found in gum benzoin, toluene, peru balsam in combined state. In the urine of horses, it is found in the form of uric acid. This is benzoyl glycine. First of all, Scheele isolated pure benzoic acid from gum benzoin and studied its properties. Its composition was explained by Liebig and Wöhler. Now methods of preparation of benzoic acid from benzene by Friedel-Crafts reaction and subsequent hydrolysis. In the presence of Lewis acid such anhydrous aluminum chloride, benzene reacts with an excess of carbonyl chloride to form benzoyl chloride, which on subsequent hydrolysis yields benzoic acid. Benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3. It forms benzoyl chloride, which on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. In this reaction, excess of carbonyl chloride should be used, otherwise benzophenone is obtained as major product. Now, second method of preparation is oxidation of toluene yields benzoic acid, dilute nitric acid, potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate, chromic oxide and acetic acid or potassium or alkaline potassium permanganate etc. may be used as oxidizing agent. तो इनमें से कोई भी एजेंट यूज होगा एज ए ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ये इनसे जो नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन मिलती है वो टॉलुइन को ऑक्सीडाइज करती है बेंजोइक एसिड में. When chlorine is passed into boiling toluene, benzotrichloride is formed, which on hydrolysis with lime water in presence of iron catalyst yields benzoic acid. क्लोरीन पास करते हैं यहाँ से, उस पर उसके बाद हीट करते हैं तो ये ट्राइक्लोरो बेंजल्डिहाइड बनता है। उसके बाद कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से रिएक्शन कराने पे फाइनली on hydrolysis it gives benzoic acid. Now by hydrolysis of phenyl cyanide in the presence of mineral acid, CN group is hydrolyzed to COOH group. Sulfuric acid की प्रेजेंस में हाइड्रोलिसिस कराते हैं तो बेंजोइक एसिड और अमोनिया बनता है। Now from Grignard region is obtained by heating bromo or iodobenzene with magnesium in presence of dry ether. It reacts with carbon dioxide when an adduct is formed, which on acid hydrolysis yields benzoic acid. This is bromobenzene reacts with magnesium in dry ether to form bromomagnesium, phenyl magnesium bromide, which reacts with carbon dioxide to form adduct, and adduct on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. By oxidation of benzaldehyde with alkaline KMnO4 and subsequent hydrolysis yields benzoic acid. इन दोनों के रिएक्शन में एल्कलाइन KMnO4 रिएक्शन से नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होती है जो बेंजल्डिहाइड को बेंजोइक एसिड में कन्वर्ट करती है। From salicylic acid, this is the salicylic acid reacts with zinc और डिस्टिलेशन किया जाता है। When salicylic acid is distilled with zinc, benzoic acid is formed. Now, by partial decarboxylation of benzene dicarboxylic acid, on heating artho, meta or para benzene dicarboxylic acid, this is artho or para, artho, meta or para benzene dicarboxylic acid reacts with NaOH के साथ सोडा लाइम के साथ हीट करते हैं तो बेंजोइक एसिड और सोडियम कार्बोनेट बनता है। Now on heating artho, meta or para benzene dicarboxylic acid, benzoic acid is obtained. Now laboratory method of preparation of benzoic acid. In the laboratory, benzoic acid is prepared by hydrolysis of potassium benzoate obtained from the reaction of benzyl chloride with alkaline KMnO4. तो alkaline KMnO4 ये नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन देता है, आपस में पोटेशियम मैग्नेट बनता है और नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. This reacts with benzyl. Now KOH reacts with benzyl chloride to give benzyl alcohol, and this benzyl alcohol oxidized by this nascent oxygen to give potassium benzoate, which on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. These are the important conversion also. So overall reaction इस तरह से होगा. Reaction क्या था? Laboratory method. In the laboratory, benzoic acid is prepared by hydrolysis of potassium benzoate obtained from reaction of benzyl chloride with alkaline KMnO4. Overall reaction is this. First, benzyl chloride converts into benzyl alcohol, which on oxidation gives potassium benzoate, which on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Now, industrial method, benzoic acid is manufactured by oxidation of toluene in presence of cobalt and manganese acetate. Benzoic acid is manufactured by oxidation of toluene. Oxidation करते हैं कोबाल्ट और मैग्नीज एसीटेट के प्रेजेंस में 170 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे, तो बेंजोइक एसिड बनता है. दिस इज द इंडस्ट्रियल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. Now physical properties of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a white crystalline colorless solids. Its melting point is 121 degrees centigrade. It is sparingly soluble in cold water but soluble in hot water, alcohol and ether. On heating its sublime and its vapors are obtaining and cause puffing. It is steam volatile type. Now chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzoic acid are divided into 4 groups. Reactions of hydrogen of COOH group. Reaction of OH group of COOH group. Reaction of COOH group and substitution reaction of benzene. Now first reaction of hydrogen of COOH group. This explains the acidic nature of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a weak monobasic acid and dissociate in water as benzoate ion में और हाइड्रोजन आयन में डिसोसिएट होता है. Being acidic in nature, it forms salt with bases, metal, carbonates and bicarbonate. Benzoic acid reacts with NaOH to form sodium benzoate. It reacts with sodium carbonate to form sodium benzoate. It is a stronger acid than phenol and aliphatic acid. Negative charge in benzoate ion. Benzoate ion पे negative charge होगा, Na+ होगा या नेगेटिव चार्ज इन बेंजोएट आयन. इसको डिसोसिएट यहाँ पे देखो, ये बेंजोएट आयन पे नेगेटिव आयन है और हाइड्रोजन आयन अलग हो रहा है. It is a stronger acid than phenol and aliphatic acid. Negative charge in benzoate ion is delocalized on benzene ring and it is more stable than acetate or phenoxide ion. It is weaker acid than formic acid. Various substitution effects and various substituents affect the acidic strength of benzoic acid and it depends upon the nature of subsequent. Acidic properties of substituted benzoic acid can be explained as follows. First is inductive effect. Electron withdrawing group which produce minus I effects such as nitro group, chloride, SO3H, etc. increase acidic strength of benzoic acid. Now, electron releasing group which produce plus I group such as methyl, OCH3, etc. decrease acidic strength of benzoic acid. So, electron विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप जो होगा वो एसिडिक नेचर बढ़ाएगा जिससे कि हाइड्रोजन रिमूवल आसान होगा. एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप रिड्यूस दी, जो प्लस आई इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करेगा वो क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज द एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड. नाउ रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट. Group in which their lone pair of electrons take part in resonance increase electron density on benzoic ring. These groups decrease the acidic strength of benzoic acid. All the ortho and para directing group on other hand, meta directing group increase acidic strength of benzoic acid. Now ortho effect. When incoming groups occupies ortho position in benzene ring, the acidic strength is more than that of meta or para derivatives. For example, OH group produce minus I and plus R effect, but minus I, OH group produce minus I effect and plus R effect, but minus I effect is greater than R effect. Hence, it decreases the acidic strength of benzoic acid. Some group produce opposite effect and resulting effect is equal to the sum of the both opposite effect. On the basis of above mentioned fact, acidic strength of the some substituted benzoic acid are in the following order. Nitrobenzoic acid. आर्थो पोजीशन पे है, ये मोर एसिडिक होगा देन पैरा एंड देन मेटा, इस तरह से बेंजोइक एसिड. और सिर्फ बेंजोइक एसिड है अगर तो इन सब से एसिडिक नेचर उसका कम होगा. These are the nitrobenzoic acid. इसी तरह से मेटा पोजीशन पे मेटा नाइट्रोइक एसिड इज मोर acidic than metachlorobenzoic acid than chlorbenzoic acid. Now hydroxybenzoic acid, जब hydroxy ग्रुप लगा होगा, this is more acidic than मेटा पोजीशन पे, उससे कम होगा, उससे कम ये, और उसके बाद पैरा पोजीशन पे बेंजोइक एसिड, और बेंजोइक एसिड पैरा पोजीशन पे हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप के मुकाबले ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा. When a group containing highly electronegative atom occupies meta position on benzene ring, it cannot participate in resonance effect. Hence, only minus I effect is effect which increase the acidic strength of benzoic acid. So OCH3 para मेटा पोजीशन पे है, तो ये मोर एसिडिक देन बेंजोइक एसिड. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप मेटा पोजीशन पे है, तो ये मोर एसिडिक देन दिस. All the benzoate salts except salt of iron and silver are soluble in water. Benzoic acid reacts with FeCl3 to form precipitate of ferric benzoate. Benzoic acid reacts with ferric chloride to form ferric benzoate. Now reaction of OH group of COOH group. अब इस पार्ट का OH group पार्ट का रिएक्शन किस तरह होता है? फर्स्ट इज एस्टरिफिकेशन, यानी OH ग्रुप रिप्लेस हो जाएगा एस्टर ग्रुप से. Benzoic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and heated to form ethyl benzoate. Now reaction with phosphorus pentachloride and SOCl2. Benzyl chloride is formed in these reactions. SOCl2 से रिएक्शन होगा तो बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बनेगा, ये बीच में एसिटिक एसिड है. बेंजोइल क्लोराइड से रिएक्शन हो SOCl2 से रिएक्शन होता है, तो HCl और माइनस SO2 रिमूव हो जाएंगे और बेंजोइक एसिड से बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बनेगा. फास्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड से रिएक्शन होगा तो बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बनेगा. Now benzoyl chloride is also formed when benzoic acid reacts with ECl3 and Cl2 and red phosphorus. Now formation of anhydride. On heating with acetic anhydride P2O5, it forms benzoic anhydride. Two molecules of benzoic acid reacts in presence of acetic anhydride or phosphorus pentoxide. It forms benzoic anhydride. When sodium benzoate and benzoyl chloride are heated, benzoic anhydride is formed. This is the reaction. Now reaction of COOH group. First is decarboxylation. अब ये पूरा COOH group replace हो जाएगा. First reaction decarboxylation. On heating with soda lime, benzoic acid gives benzene. Benzoic acid heating with soda lime, NaOH and COO mixture is known as soda lime. It gives benzene sodium carbonate. Now the second reaction is reduction. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or boron hydride or THF tetrahydrofuran. It gives benzyl alcohol. रिडक्शन होता है इनमें से किसी भी रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की प्रेजेंस पे, तो क्या बनता है? बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. ड्राई डिस्टिलेशन विद कैल्शियम सॉल्ट. ड्राई डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम benzoate with calcium benzoate yield benzaldehyde. This benzoic acid reacts with calcium hydroxide. It gives calcium benzoate which reacts with calcium formate. It gives benzaldehyde and calcium carbonate. Dry distillation of पूरा रिएक्शन इसको देखो. Dry distillation of calcium benzoate with calcium formate yields benzaldehyde. Now, dry distillation of mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium acetate yield acetophenone. This is calcium benzoate. This is calcium acetate. It gives acetophenone. Dry distillation of calcium benzoate along yields benzophenone. This is the reaction. Benzophenone. When vapors of benzoic acid are heated at 250 degrees centigrade with formic acid and acetic acid in presence of MNO catalyst, benzaldehyde and acetophenone are formed respectively. When vapors of benzoic acid are heated to 250 degrees centigrade, benzophenone is formed. Now reaction with ammonia. Ammonium benzoate is obtained which on heating converts into benzamine. Benzoic acid reacts with ammonia, it forms ammonium benzoate. When heated, it forms benzamide and reacts with P2O5 to form cyanobenzene. Now, Smith reaction in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, benzoic acid reacts with hydrozoic acid. In presence of this, it forms aniline, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Now, Hans-Dicker reaction. When silver benzoate is react with Cl2 or Br2 in the atmosphere of hot xylene, chloro or bromobenzene is obtained. Reaction is that. Now, reactions of benzene ring. Benzene ring of benzoic acid gives electrophilic substitution reaction. COH groups makes benzene nucleus less reactive than benzene and is meta-directive. Halogen. Meta-halobenzoic acid is formed when this reacts with any of halogen. Second is nitration. Meta-nitrobenzene is formed when benzoic acid is treated with concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4. Sulfonation metasulfonic benzoic acid is obtained when benzoic acid is heated with fuming H2SO4. Due to deactivating effect produced by COH group, benzoic acid does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, chloromethylation, mercuration, etc. Now, uses of benzoic acid in the preparation of food preservatives, as in medicine, in the preparation of dyes, benzoic acid are used. Now, test of benzoic acid. Sparingly soluble in cold water, but completely soluble in hot water. Its aqueous solution turns blue litmus paper. Litmus red. It reacts with solution of sodium bicarbonate to release carbon dioxide. On heating with soda lime, it forms benzene, which burns with smoky flame. With ferric chloride, it forms gray-colored precipitate of ferric benzoate. On heating with concentrated sulfuric acid and ethyl alcohol, ethyl benzoate having an characteristic smell is formed. तो इस तरह से दो इम्पोर्टेंट कंपाउंड, एरोमेटिक इम्पोर्टेंट कंपाउंड आज के वीडियो में लिए, जिनकी कंप्लीट केमिस्ट्री जानी आप लोगों ने, और ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा आगे रिएक्शन वगैरह याद करने के लिए और तैयार करने के लिए, कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए मेनली या हायर क्लासेस के लिए। तो सारी चीजें एक जगह डिटेल में कलेक्ट करके तुम लोगों को बताई, तो उम्मीद है इसका फायदा जरूर उठाओगे। अगले हम वीडियो में और इसी तरह से दूसरे कंपाउंड्स, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में बताएंगे।